What's up, everybody? Mitch Creel here from Wild Horses. Today we're going to start shooting some quick product description videos every once in a while, just to kind of give you guys an idea of what we have here available at Wild Horses. Today our target is this Scott Drake reproduction of the original Bronco antenna assembly for a 66 to 77 Ford Bronco. Starting off at the top, we have the original style antenna measuring in at... Is this thing supposed to be this long? Jeez. What are they trying to do? Pick up alien spacecraft signals? You could literally tape a flag to the top of this thing and ride around in the dunes with it. Why am I roasting a Bronco antenna? Moving on, we have the bezel that screws onto the chrome fender cover. This cover comes with a rubber seal, allowing your cover to sit pretty on your fender. Right below that, you find your weatherproof rubber housing for your antenna wire, and that leads down to the kick panel grommet. Continuing down from here, you have your zinc-plated antenna housing that protects your antenna when it's not in use. And last but not least, on that housing, you find your kick panel mounting bracket that is used for extra support. And that is your briefing for today. A lot of Broncos are missing these antennas. This leaves an unattractive hole in your fender, so if you don't have one, go ahead and head over to our website and snag you one. The link is in the description below. And don't worry, if you aren't sure how to install this, we will be coming out with a video very soon on how to install these things properly. Now, with all of that being said, we will see you guys. I feel like I should say something else. We will see you guys at the 2018 Wild Horses Roundup. Shoot, what if they're watching this in like 2050? Whatever. We'll see you guys out there on the trail. Peace.